everyone. This is now Lily, much later in the day, and I'm talking like nearly 8 o'clock at night, and as you can see, Lily is still up here, and it is certainly time for my girl to come on down. Are you going to come home for Mum, please? Could you think about coming home now? Do you think that you've had plenty of time? Because I honestly think that you have, to be perfectly honest. So can we, I'll just budge her with my finger. Here? Come on. Come on, Mum. Can you come to Mum? Please? Do you think you could come down? Hey? No. And of course, guys, I cannot do this, as you could well imagine, one-handed with Lily at all. Yeah, that's me. So, very not able to do this at all one-handed, but Lily knows that it is very much time for her to come on home, and she is going to avoid me as much as she possibly can. But generally what I do is I'll get her going down this way and get her down lower, and she gets the idea of what is going on, and that is, oh gosh, Mum, I've got to go home. I know I've got to go home, and I really don't want to go home, but that's what you're telling me to do. And I just keep on rubbing her on her back. Very easy. Very easy, isn't it, darling? Hey? Yes. Yes, I know. I know. Well, you got to keep on coming, though. Sorry, I haven't really got the camera where you can still see her coming down. But she'll make her way. Slowly but surely, she'll make her way for me. She's a pretty good girl, Lily. I know you want to climb on me, darling. How about you go that way? Sorry, I keep forgetting to move the camera because I'm kind of like watching her do her moves here and making sure she doesn't head, back up this way. Come on, keep that tail going. Thank you, darling. Thank you. As you can see, that is now how I've been able to get Lily down with a sore rib, guys. And it really bothered me, kind of being a bit worried about her going up top and me being able to get her to come down. So what I'll do now, which speeds up this process just fractionally, is I get her, I bring her, sorry, you can't see her, I get her, I bring her around, and I put a little head. I know, I certainly know you do not want to. She does not want to go home, guys. As you can see, that was her tantrum earlier, you know, when she was wanting to come out, and she still wants to stay out with Mum, but she's not going to. So now you have to go home, darling. No, she says. I'm actually going to have to put the camera down, guys. Sorry. And grab her a little bit more, because she's got a pretty good tail grip at the moment. So all you're going to see is a little bit of me at this point. And okay, now she'll feel kind of a little bit better. Here we go. Here we go. There we go. There. She just needed me to grab that back end for her a little bit more, just that she would then feel a little bit more secure. And I'm pretty sure that she will curl up there now and have a nap. Well, warm up. It's about her warming up, and I'll straighten up her little place here now and get that substrate leveled out for her. But she's home, so that's getting Lily home. So like I said, I'll put this in with the video of her coming out, and that's her video of her going back, and making it a little bit easier for me, because Jack is snoozing up there tonight. But there you go, guys. Ciao.